If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your PlayStation 5. Power off your PS5 completely and unplug it for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting matchmaking. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. Ensure your connection is stable and that you have sufficient download and upload speeds for online gaming. Step 4. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type and select Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to use Google's DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 for improved connectivity. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.